is Memuna Bombewala, your guide and mentor in organic chemistry, and in our last video we have seen the reaction for Michael addition, right? And we said that it is actually a 1,4 addition, but it looks like it is 1,2. So let us see the mechanism in this video. Let us see the mechanism here. For Michael addition, which is a reaction between alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds and diethyl malanoate. So let us see this reaction. See, I have this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. This is C double bond O. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 atoms, and this is alpha or beta के बीच में there is a unsaturation from the carbonyl compound. Now what is going to happen here? I have this. Say for example, I should be writing it like this, that this is the first step of the mechanism, and of course because there is ketone, there is shift of electrons towards oxygen, and O will now bear a negative charge and this carbon will bear a positive charge. Now what happens, see, because there is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, इसकी आदत है that it shows resonance, there is delocalization of charges. ऐसा नहीं होता कि सिर्फ ये शिफ्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ पर फिक्स हो जाता है. इंस्टेड व्हाट हैपेंस, ये देख रहा है कि यहाँ पर कार्बन है जो बेचारा गरीब है, तो व्हाट हैपेंस, द डबल बॉन्ड मूव्स टू नलिफाई दिस पॉजिटिव चार्ज, and at the tail of this double bond, what charge do I get? I will get a positive charge. So see what I get, CH2 now with a positive charge, single bond CH, double bond C because this has been migrated here, single bond O with a negative charge and hydrogen. Now the diethyl malanoate's role comes in. See, we have already seen that. I will write it as one other step here. This is CH2. I should be writing it as CH single bond H, C double bond O, O C2H5, C double bond O, O C2H5. What is happening here? Because this carbon here is highly acidic, it can lose its proton and become what? CH with a negative charge, COO C2H5, COO C2H5. And this proton is lost because it is acidic. It has a tendency to lose a proton. हमने अपनी acidity of alpha hydrogen पर एक detailed discussion कर चुके हैं. You can watch this video. तो अब हमारा ये कार्बेनियन रेडी है और हमारे पास ये positively charged ion भी रेडी है. Now see what will happen here. This is an addition reaction. So one group will migrate like this, and the other group will migrate like this. So what do I get as a product? I will get CH2, this CH2, on this CH2, this CH with a COO C2H5 twice, this is twice, this is single bond CH, double bond C, and on this oxygen comes in what? This proton, and this is my hydrogen as it is, right? So what I got is a product which is nothing but, I would call it as a 1,4 addition product. But this is not the real product that I get out of Michael addition. What is the real product? See, I will write it like this. The real product is coming from where now? And why do I call it as 1,4 addition? In actual it is 1,4, लेकिन हम प्रोडक्ट से देखेंगे कि हमको लगेगा कि 1,2 एडिशन प्रोडक्ट है. एक्चुअल में तो यही हो रहा है जो मैकेनिज्म में दिख रहा है. लेकिन अब ये स्टोरी यहाँ पर खत्म नहीं होती. इंस्टेड द स्टोरी कंटिन्यूज फर्दर. कैसे? दिस प्रोडक्ट दैट यू गेट इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अनदर कंपाउंड कॉल्ड एज इनऑल. Now what do you mean by this in and all? देखिए, कभी एक ही कार्बन पर डबल बॉन्ड और OH, एक ही कार्बन पर डबल बॉन्ड और OH साइमल्टेनियसली हो तो हम उसको बुलाते हैं इन ऑल. इन क्योंकि अल्कीन और ऑल क्योंकि अल्कोहल, तो ऐसे कंपाउंड्स को बुलाया जाता है इनॉल. और इनॉल जो है वो कोई बहुत स्टेबल कंपाउंड्स नहीं होते. On the contrary, they are very unstable and they undergo a reaction called as tautomerism. and that tautomerism reaction is called as keto-enol tautomerism. अब ये कैसे होता है देखिए मान लीजिए this is your ene and this is your ol, so this is together enol. Now what happens here? What happens is there is shift of, see there is this proton here, so what happens is this proton is lost. We know that OH can show reactions wherein hydrogen is lost, right? This proton is lost to give you a double bond, and this double bond moves to give you a negative charge. And on this negatively charged carbon, this proton will come and attack, right? So what will be the product? I will get a CH because this positively पे जाके ये negatively ये negative पे जाके ये positively charged hydrogen लग गया. Single bond C, double bond O, and this is nothing but keto. तो ये this is a reaction which keeps on going like this. It is a tautomerism reaction, forward backward, लेकिन always it is more and more towards the keto side and less towards the enol because keto form is more stable. Same बात यहाँ पर हो रही है माइकल में. कैसे देखिए, have a look at this particular thing here. This is my hydrogen. I write it like this: shift of electrons to give you a double bond. Double bond moves to give you a negative charge. On this negatively charged carbon, this positively charged hydrogen will come and attack. So what do I get here? CH2, CH, COOC2H5 twice, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH, और इसके ऊपर आके लग गया कौन? हाइड्रोजन, CH2, सिंगल बॉन्ड, डबल हो गया सिंगल, C, डबल बॉन्ड O and H. See, now it looks as if the addition has taken at 1 and 2 position. 1 and 2 is not with respect to like nomenclature के हिसाब से. It is 2 adjacent places पर addition has occurred. H इस कार्बन पर और बाकी का सारा डायथिल मैलोनोड इस कार्बन पर. लेकिन एक्चुअल में क्या हुआ था? एडिशन वॉज 1 and 4 पोजिशन. सो दैट मेक्स माइकल एडिशन वेरी यूनिक, दैट इट इज अ 1,4 एडिशन रिएक्शन, एंड दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल वे टू राइट द मैकेनिज्म एंड एक्सप्लेन द मैकेनिज्म. कीप वॉचिंग, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. थैंक यू.